Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Savlamar in Westmoreland, Jamaica. Savlamar is the capital of Westmoreland. It's also the largest town in western Jamaica. Now this is a very old and historic town. Well, some parts. For instance, on the left you're going to see one of those old-time churches. It's actually an Anglican church. On the right you're going to see the Savlamar Parish Court. Very old and historic building, both of them. And then as we go further up, you're going to see a lot more modern looking things. So it's a mix, I guess you could say. On the right is the police station. On the left is the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation. There is a mall, George's Mall. Savlamar is a very developed town. It has all the infrastructure you need to support a large town. Savlamar could actually be a city. On the left is the post office. On the right is the parish library. And of course, you're going to find all the banks in Savlamar, all the restaurants, fast food restaurants, you name it, they have it. They have a lot of plazas, a lot of supermarkets, a lot of gas stations. So straight ahead is Burger King on the right, and then straight up is KFC. There's also a Popeyes beside the Burger King. Alright, so the road we just came off is Great George Street, and that is actually the longest street in Jamaica. We're now on Louis Street and going up to Beckford Street. On the left now is Juicy Patties, and then beside it is the Beckford Shopping Centre, which is actually the largest plaza in Savlamar. Coming up on the left now is the transport center. Not sure if it's an official transport center, the buses just parked there, but it's like an official transport center. They have the metal barricades. So I remember we said Savlamar has all the infrastructure you need for a town. So they have a hospital, which we're coming up to on the right. They have the NWA office, National Works Agency. They have Island Traffic Authority, they have NIS, NHC, you name it, whatever government agency there is in Jamaica, they have an office in Savlamar. That's the hospital compound on the left, Savlamar Public General Hospital. And of course, with such a large town, you're going to have schools. So this is the Godfrey Stewart High School on the right. A very popular school in Jamaica on a whole. And then you have the Savlamar Primary High School over here on the right. We're now on Louis Street again. That's the RGD office on the left. Royal Pharmacy coming up on the left. Hi guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.